I wasn't planning on making this video today, but something very interesting was brought to my attention. And although this video was planned to be made and put out with a big collection of other videos we were going to be making on AI content writers and YouTube in a few weeks or even months time, I should probably say, I had to produce this now. Nothing fancy is going to go on in this video. It's just going to be a simple screen recording. I got some very important information for you if you are doing YouTube, if you're interested in YouTube SEO, and if you want to save some money. This is peppertype. This is an AI content writer. It will produce content for you, copywriting for your blog or business. You just have to put a little bit of information in and they'll produce full articles, full blog articles, paragraph. It's got a content rewriter. It's a great piece of software. But what I want to show you today is the YouTube feature, because even though other AI copywriting tools exist that will produce with YouTube, I haven't seen another one do exactly what this one's going to do in this video, which is going to help you with your YouTube SEO. If you do see another piece of software, then leave a comment there for me and I'll check out that software. But let me show you this now. So I'm here on the dashboard of peppertype. I'm going to put in the word YouTube because that's what we're focusing on, creating YouTube descriptions, but including that SEO. So I'm going to come down here and click on YouTube video description. Now, if you are on YouTube, you know how important SEO is if you want your video to rank for a particular search term. So once I've gone into the tool here, I'm just going to put YouTube SEO. That's the title of my project. And then I'm going to go down here. Now, I recently produced a video on keyword gap analysis or content gap analysis as part of our training series. So I'm just going to put a few more words in here. Okay, so there we go. All I'm going to do now is click on the advanced option. Now, if you're using any tool inside any of these AI copywriting softwares, always click on the advanced options if they give it to you. You're going to get a better output. And this is the bit that I love about peppertype that I haven't seen elsewhere. If you do see this, let me know. Keywords to rank for. Okay, this is really, really important because what we can do is we can take this keyword here, keyword gap analysis. That's what we want to rank for. Put that in there. And now you've got to put a comma and a space. Keyword gap analysis is a phrase that they're going to put in the output. Okay, this will not happen with a paragraph writer or any other software that does that. I've only seen peppertype do this, but I've got my 71 out of 180 characters. Hit create content. Now the tool inside peppertype is going to work. The AI is going to work and it's going to produce my video description for me. Now this is going to save you a huge amount of time. You know, if you're on YouTube, that you need to get your YouTube title spot on, but you also know that you need to have the SEO included in your video description. And look, keyword analysis tool is in there in the first line, and I've got all this information here. Now, as always, make sure you proofread this. Make sure you fact check it. If I don't like this one, I think this output isn't great, I can hit create more outputs and it will produce more options for me. Now, I don't have to take one of these exactly as they are. I can actually take both of these. I could copy them. That will use your credits, so be careful, but I can copy those, put them over into a document, and then I can mix and match up the titles to get my perfect description. You might end up that you want both of the outputs and use them to write a slightly longer description. But again, look at this, keyword gap analysis. At the beginning here, keyword analysis tool is in there. So this is the one that I would prefer because it's using my exact phrase that I want to rank for. Again, if I want to, I can get it to produce more outputs. But what this does is it picks out that phrase and it should put it into all of your outputs. If it doesn't, make sure you put the thumbs down so you don't like it. That one's got it. I like that. I like that. Again, look, keyword gap analysis. So I could take these two here. I can save them if I need to come back into the tool. It's cloud-based, so I can come back wherever I am. I can log in on another computer and access it, or I could copy these two into my YouTube description and then cut up the sentences and I will be able to produce the perfect description. But I've got that SEO in there and this tool has made sure that that has happened for me. Now, I did tell you at the end of this video I would show you exactly how you can save some money on peppertype if you want to access it. Now, there's two things you can do here. If you see now, there's a little card that's popped up around this video, or you can check out the description. I can show you, if you watch that video, exactly how you can get some free credits on this software. But what I would recommend in this particular video you do before that is you head over to this other website I'm going to show you right now, because that's going to show you how you can get lifetime access to peppertype very, very cheap. So you don't have to worry about a monthly recurring payment that you have to make. You're going to pay one price and you're going to be able to get this tool on the lifetime deal. Check this out. So this is the other website that I wanted to show you. You can see peppertype.ai. You can see the image of it here. It's currently on lifetime deal, but if I look over here, look, offer ends in 13 days. And this is what I want to bring your attention to, because if you are writing any kind of content, if you've got a blog, if you've got a YouTube channel, you've got social media, Peppertype can do the work for you. It uses AI, produces content. Now, if you're doing video SEO or YouTube SEO, as I said, then this is the best software I have seen that uses AI for that job, because it lets you pick out that keyword phrase that you want to rank for and make sure that it is inside the output that is produced by the AI. Now, I'm not going to scroll through this entire page for you so you can see all of this. All I'm going to do is suggest you go to the first link in the description, click on that. You can go through this page in your own time. You can read through all the different information, but you can see it gets 5 out of 5 on their rating system out of 1,072 reviews. I personally love this software for definitely my short form content. This is my go-to software at the moment. And you can also see that they've got 3 license tiers. So depending on what kind of volume of content you're producing, how many accounts you want joined, you can check out the different license tiers. You know, if you've got a team of people you want to use this. But as I said, I'm not going to go through that now. Go to the first link in the description. I'll also make it the pinned comment under this video as well, so you can get the link here to this site, and then you can check it out. And then if you decide to pick this up, then you can. That's everything I wanted to say today. All I would recommend you do as well, if you're interested, is you should be able to see some videos that popped up. That's a playlist of all our Peppertype videos. So hit the link in the description, check out the deal. If you want to see the software in action, then all you need to do is click on that playlist, watch the videos to see me use the software, learn about it in a bit more detail. You got 13 days, check it out.